Garbage collection in Java is an automated process of reclaiming memory occupied by objects that are no longer in use by the program. Let's illustrate with a simple example. In this example, we create three student objects and assign references to S1 and S2. After S1 is set to null, they become eligible for garbage collection, as there are no references pointing to them. We call system GC to suggest that the garbage collector should run. However, the garbage collector runs on its own schedule, and we cannot guarantee when it will execute. When the garbage collector eventually runs, it calls the finalize method on objects that are ready for garbage collection, as indicated by the messages printed in the finalize method override within the student class. Garbage collection in Java helps manage memory automatically, freeing developers from manually deallocating memory. It identifies and releases memory that is no longer needed, ensuring efficient memory usage in Java programs. See you again. Thank you.